channel. I'm Nika Peralta. If you're new to my channel, hi! Don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell button beside so you get notified every time I upload a video and be part of my Nika Amazings family. Hi! Hello! Namiss ko yung intro na yun. Kasi guys, di ba, nag-vlogmas ako. I tried my best. I started it December 1st till December 18th. Yun lang yung talagang nakayanan ko, guys. I'm sorry. Sana natuwa pa rin kayo. At least I tried. At least umabot tayo ng 18 kasi hindi ko talaga ina-expect na aabot ako ng 18 days. Kasi naging busy ako sa school, sa work. Kasabay-sabay lahat ng pagkakabusy ko and hindi ko na nasabay yung vlog and editing after Vlogmas Day 18. So, I'm really sorry. Before I start this video, may i-insert lang ako ng clip. This is Vlogmas Day 23. It's just opening gifts with my family. So, I have my lola, my cousin from Mississauga, my pamangkin, everybody is in that dinner. Para siyang boodle fight. Na late kasi ako nang dating nun, guys. Kaya hindi ko masyadong na-vlog. Maikli lang naman yun, guys. So, roll it! Roll it, roll it, roll it.
Kunyari, nasusurprise, ha?
Lola, masusurprise ka dito sa gift ko. Hindi tayo magkasama bumili dito eh. Thank you.
Oh. Nay, kailangan surprise.
Surprise! Tignan niyo kaya regalo sa inyo.
Kailangan? Wow! Isa pa.
Surprise! Wow!
Wow!
That together.
Parang mga model tayo.
What's this? Oh! Isa pa to! Okay, kunyari mo sa surprise. Wow!
Ang bigat to, ano to? Ay! Box lang to na, mami.
Tingnan mo, wag na, wag na. Wag na, wag na, wag na.
Eh, thank you, ma'am.
Ah, daming gift!
Daming gift.
Oy, may talent fee ako, ha. You gotta tell me.
Surprise!
Yay! That's for Sophia!
Okay.
Open it from Ate Kat and Kuya. Mami, oh, act surprise!
Ba't kasi mo yung regalo magkakasama kayo? A mouse!
Marunong ka magkamit mo.
Wireless mouse!
Bravo ka siya, nanay mo.
I guess. Ampon ka lang. Yeah, right. Ano to? Oh, pink! Kind of. Oh, that's good.
Purunto.
And we're back. Right now, gagawin na natin yung what I got for Christmas. I already did this video last year. Click, click, click. Yeah, sabihin ko lang sa inyo, hindi ako nagmamayabang, hindi ako nagbabrag. I love watching this kind of videos. Yeah, let's just start. So first off, I have a scarf. Yan, I got it from Ate Lelaine, yung pinsan ko sa Mississauga. Oof, it's black too, kaya I really love it. So soft, so comfortable. She also got me this cute stuffed toy from Disney, Minnie Mouse, na parang Christmassy theme siya. So, yeah, it's so cute, right? I love it. Ilalagay ko to sa car ko. Actually, nasa car ko na to. Kinuha ko lang ulit para lang dito sa video na to. So, she got me this KitKat Senses. Ayan, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Look, guys. So, iba-iba siyang flavor. It's so cute. So, this is salted caramel, yung green, hazelnut. And then, the blue one is truffle. Ala, ang cute! Yan, okay lang sa akin yung mga ganitong maliliit na chocolates kasi nga, ang bilis ko talaga maumay, guys. I swear, kahit yung piece ng cake, minsan, isang kutsara lang sa akin, okay na, hindi ko kaya kumain ng 10. So, yeah. Thank you, Ate Lily! Next is from Daddy. So, kung napanood nyo na yung Vlogmas Day. Yobu. Pero pinakita ko na to, pero papakita ko pa rin ulit. My dad got me this Google Home Mini. And he also got me this Victoria's Secret perfume. Ayan, super bango nito. I love it. It's the Magic Shine Fragrance Mist. I love it. From my kuya naman, guys, he got me this Vans Old School. And sinoli ko pa to, guys, kasi hindi niya binalot. Hindi niya to binalot. Talagang binalibag niya na lang sa akin to. But, he got the wrong size. I told him I'm 6.5. Pero I think yung 6.5 na nakuha niya is for men's. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. I love it. I love white shoes kasi talaga. Ayan. See? It's so simple. It's cute. Bagay sa lahat kasi nga white. Pero yun nga lang, ang hirap linisin. Thank you, kuya. And from my mom, ito, syempre nakita nyo na rin to sa isang vlog. So, she got me this microphone, yung Bluetooth microphone. Ayan, ayan yung itsura niya. I love this. Tuwing nga sa bahay ako ng best friend ko, ginagamit ko yung ganito niya. And I really didn't think of getting one kasi nga, parang feeling ko di ko naman magagamit. Pero now that I have it, I'm obsessed with it na, guys. Kasi minsan, alam mo yun, kahit hindi lang ako mag-isa, kapag ano na ako, hindi ko na kailangan mag-set up ng video, okay? Kasi nga, I don't have one. My mom does, pero I have to go to her house para lang mag-video ko. Pero now I have my own, and I can like play any songs from YouTube. Diba? And also, my mom got me a hair dryer. Ito lang talaga. Siguro, sa lahat ng kailangan ko talaga ngayon, taon, is this one. Kasi yung blower talaga namin dito. Sinaksak mo siya, gagana siya, pero pag once you turned it off, kunwari may kumausap sa akin, and then ito turn off ko kasi nga, hindi ko sila marinig, diba? Hindi na siya nagagana, guys. Alam mo yung kahit tanggalin ko saksak, ibalik ko, hindi nagagana. So sabi ko, I think I really need a hair dryer now. Kaya yan. She got me this. I'm only expecting for like a $25 one, pero binigyan niya ako ng tig $70. Kaya I really appreciate this. Thank you, mommy. I love you. Diba? Adulting. Sobrang adulting. Dito lang masaya ka na. Dati parang, what? Why? Bakit mo ko bibigyan ng blower? Diba? Parang ganun. Thanks, mommy! I also got something from Nico's family. This one is a really cute, ano ba? Bonnet? Toque? Whatever. Pero alam niyo, hindi ako talaga mahilig magsuot ng ganito. Kasi nga, ang laki ng mukha ko, guys. Siopaw face eh. Alam mo yon. Pero this one is so cute kasi nga may pom-poms. So yeah, this is from Nene and Kim Kim. I love them. Yeah. I love it. And I also have another one. So, binigyan niya kami lahat nito. It says Volare. Ayan. Ayan ang Instagram ng Volare. But yeah, check it out if you're from Toronto or wherever you are. If you like hoodies, beanies, shirts from Volare, I'll just link it down below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na yung tama. Hindi naman niya ako inutusan na mag-ano. Kasi, diba, may mga taga-Toronto naman dito. Mississauga, Oakville. Ayan, kahit mga taga-Alberta, bili na kayo. And also, guys, I got something from Ate Jenny. Hi, Ate Jenny. Nakita niyo siya dun sa opening of gifts kasi nandun siya kasali sa family dinner namin. So, yeah. She got me this. Ano ba tawag dito, Ate Jenny? Ito na naman eh. Lalaitin na naman ako yan eh. It's from Lather and Scents. This is her friend. Meron silang mga pagganito, oh. Parang pwede for souvenirs or Christmas gifts like she did. Lang, pinagbibigyan niya kami nitong mga to. So, ito, mabubulol ako sabihin to, pero I'll try, ha. So, this is handmade bath and body products. Oh, diba? Hindi ko na uulitin yon. Basta handmade siya, guys. Nagamit pang ligo. It comes with bath bombs, pang scrub, and then mabangong-mabangong sabon. Kasi, nababanguhan talaga ako ngayon pa lang. Naaamoy ko na. And yung mga sabon, guys, ang cute talaga ng mga shape. Kung i-check nyo sila, ito yung Instagram nila. And I will also link it down below para makita nyo. Go check it out, guys. It's from Brantford and Vaughan. So, I don't know if they have two different stores, but I know they have one. Basta, hindi ko alam na sinasabi ko, guys, kasi, you know. So, yung sa boyfriend ko naman, guys, wala talaga kasi kung gusto. So, sabi niya sa akin, ang bibigay na lang daw niya yung Timberlands na binili ko. So, binayaran niya na lang ako, pero siya yung bumili nun kasi nga, binayaran niya na ako. Baka kasi magsaka kayo kung ano yung regalo ng boyfriend ko. Bakit wala regalo si Kuya Nico? Bakit walang regalo yung boyfriend ni Ate Nika? Or baka sabihin na naman, wala na ba kayo? Ganun-ganun. Pero hindi, kami pa rin, guys. So, huwag kayong gumanyan. So, I think we have 1 or 2 more videos before matapos ang 2018. So yeah, guys, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.